I was gifted this set of 50 surprise 3D animals, and I am so excited about it. So first of all, my kids are obsessed with these little mini 3D animals. They cannot get enough of them. They also love anything that's a mystery surprise. So combining the two is absolutely amazing. So this is how they come packed. You get 50 of these. So let me open this up so you can see exactly what it looks like. So here's one package. You get 50 of these packages. What's really great is this is a great party favor. This is a great class handout, stocking stuffer, Easter egg stuffer. They could, squish down, or this is what they look like open. So endless uses for these, which I love. I love things like this. And it's just a little something different. I really think this is cute. It's not your typical candy or slime or things like that. I love this. But let's go ahead and open a few so we could get a feel for them. You get one 3D printed animal per package. This is like a little chick. So cute. I love the changing color, like the holographic color, and I love that they all move. These little 3D printed animals are absolutely adorable. So let's open up another one. This one is like a little dino. Oh my goodness, how cute. I love the little dino. Again, that holographic color changing color. It's always fun. And this is like a little axolotl. That's really cute. And I love the color here. What a fun, vibrant color. And this is just so adorable. Last one I'm gonna open. And this one is like a little maybe capybara with a stripe going through it. I mean, just so cute. I can't get enough of these. I absolutely love them. Highly recommend.